Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't register your face correctly. First of all, you're gonna have to enter settings. To do that, you can swipe down the control center, then go to settings, and now scroll down to lock screen settings. Open them, then go to screen lock and biometrics, enter your current password if you have one. If you don't have one, first set it up. Then you're gonna have to go to face recognition. Then, before you add a new face model to your device, make sure that you carefully wipe the surface of your frontal camera so you can see your face clearly in it, and also make sure to adjust the lights in your room for the same reason. Click continue and click register, then look directly in the camera and position your face in this circle. Now move your head up, tilt it down, and the face will be added. The last thing that we have to do before restarting this tablet and checking out how the face recognition feature works is scrolling down until you find software update settings. Then click download and install and check if your device has any updates to it. And as you can see, my device is up to date, so I don't have to download anything. But if you do have updates to install, then of course go ahead and take your time and install them. Then just restart your tablet by pressing the power button and the volume up key, or just pressing power button and volume down key for a couple of seconds. Then select restart, then confirm, and wait until the tablet is restarted. Okay, right now let's first unlock it using a lock screen pattern, and then let's try to use our face instead. So first put your device on a lock screen, and then swipe to open, and if it unlocks your device, that means that your face recognition scanner is working properly. Let's test it a couple more times, and as you can see, it works seamlessly for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.